Our topic for today is about thermal stress. What is the definition of thermal stress? Thermal stress occurs when a material is subjected to a change in temperature but is constrained from expanding or contracting freely. This restriction creates internal force, which is stress, within the materials, which can lead to deformation of even structural failure if the stress exceeds the material strength. Mathematical equation. Thermal stress equation. F over A is for thermal stress. Y is equivalent for Young modulus. A for coefficients of linear expansion. And delta T for temperature change. Thermal expansion strain. dl over L sub 0 for fractional length change in unconstrained. A for coefficients of linear expansion. And dt for temperature change. Lastly, mechanical strains for tension. F4 force applied to contract expansion. Y for Young modulus and A for cross-section area.
So, real-life application. Pipelines. They expanded when heated and contract when cooled, creating thermal stress that could cause cracks or bursts. Engineers add loops or bends to prevent damage from this expansion and contraction. Bridge and railways. Temperature changes make metal expand and contract, which can cause cracks if the stress is too high. Thermal stress management prevents this damage. When hot water is poured into a cold glass, the inner layer expands rapidly, while the cooler outer layer resists, creating an uneven thermal stress that exceeds the glass strength and causes crackings.
Role in the future. Space technology. Materials used in space technology must withstand extreme heat and cold in space to function properly and ensure a longer lifespan, as thermal stress can significantly impact their performance. Modern transportation. Modern transportation systems require advanced materials with exceptional heat resistance and thermal stress management to ensure safety, efficiency, and durability under extreme operating conditions. Renewable energy systems. Future renewable energy systems will rely on thermal stress resistant solar panel coatings and solid-state battery technology to maximize efficiency and lifespan under extreme temperature fluctuations.
Hi, my name is Jabal Gabino, showing to you guys our simulation about thermal stress. In the simulation of thermal stress, this shows how thermal stress develops when a steel bar experiences an increase or decrease in temperature in a restricted expansion. Our key features in our simulation is the temperature control slider, which when we increase and decrease the temperature, it shows real-time observation to determine what will happen to the steel bar at a specific temperature. Next is the stress visualization. In stress visualization, it indicates to understand the current status of the steel bar and where failures most likely occur, which shows that in yellow, it indicates a plastic deformation. In blue, it indicates a an old permanent deformation. And in black, it indicates a failure or fracture curve. Now, let's start with the simulation. And we click play to start the simulation. This simulation shows the steel bar in our restriction reacts to the increasing and decreasing temperature. Based on the simulation, as we can see here with the slider, if we start to decrease the temperature till negative 96, the steel bar suffers plastic deformation, which causes a permanent damage. And now when we reset the simulation, let's start by increasing the temperature. And now, when we increase the temperature, when it reaches 135 degrees Celsius, the steel bar also suffers plastic deformation. And is now, when the temperature further increases till 196 degrees Celsius, it now shows a fracture causing the steel bar to crumble or destroyed by the increasing temperature. That's all we have in our simulation, and thank you for watching our video. Goodbye.